It was rolling.
It does.
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah.
I did the rock thing, so I guess I'm official now with the silver landing business. Cody at White Dog Overland hosted us on a 2-day trail ride going from the I-17 Bloody Basin, ending up at Sheep's Bridge. The plan was everybody get there Friday night, hit the trail early Saturday. I didn't get there until pretty late Friday night. Luckily, by the time I got there, everyone was still around the fire, so I just made some quick dinner, went over to meet them, and had a great time before we got up early and hit the trail in the morning. One of the Forerunner's spares got loose, so we had to stop and tighten that back up. After that, it wasn't much longer before we finally arrived at the campsite, and it was fantastic. Once we got there, the first thing I did was get my line in the water and then decided it was time to make my lunch/dinner. They had ground bison on sale at the store, so I figured I'd make some bison burgers with some pretzel buns and some pepper jack cheese. They were fantastic. The burgers were fantastic, the scenery was great, and the water crossing I was camping next to was fun to watch. I did the rock thing, so I guess I'm official now with the silver landing business. there. I mean, this is just perfect. So it got pretty cold pretty quick once the night started to fall. After everyone got settled in, everybody ate, we got the fire rolling, and it was a blast.
On top of the fire roll,
yeah, exactly.
Oh, dude.
Oh, that looks money.
That's money.
Yeah, that looks
I don't even want to
100%.
put it on my fucking lap.
Is it still hot?
Oh, yeah. Dude, it was rolling.
It
in there.
does.
Oh, yeah, dude. The
Yeah.
fucking.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start a little skunk counter there on the bottom and just keep the number going. It's getting sad almost. Looks like everybody's packing up, so I'll get everything started, put it away, and then get an idea of what we're doing. But we got a little bit short of a ride back into town today, so it should be fun. My check engine light turned off on the ride, so I'm assuming one of my battery terminals went a little loose, so I gotta just check that before we head out too. Unless the car is just killing itself, I don't know. Leaving camp about 9. We're gonna go mostly back the same way we came, then we're going out in 7 Springs, so hopefully will be a good time.
Got full service with you right behind me. This is badass. There you go. How cool would it be to do like a live out here, you know, just maybe like an hour or something to do a live? Yeah, I was thinking about doing that last night, and then I forgot I had service.
Yeah, last night's camping spot right on that river was so nice. I cracked the window open a little bit, had the sound of the stream. Man, it was great. Would have been better if I caught a fish, but you know that curse is yet to be lifted. We'll get to that. But I know my windshield is just messed up. I gotta get a new one. It's nasty. It's 30 years old. I bet this is the original one. I'm sorry.
Raise their heads up. Oh, got a wide truck here. That one. That lion hunter, those trucks are so sick, man. Just decked out with dogs. Yeah, those guys, I've gone lion hunting with those guys, different lion hunters. They're a different breed, man. It's a whole nother world. Just saying, when we pop out in Cave Creek, we might as well take like the Florence route home. It'd probably be quicker that way.
Got me.
This thing's been just freaking solid.
After a quick break on the Seven Springs Road turn off, we saw this crazy lifted limo. Homie was ripping it. Then we eventually got to a spot where we stopped, aired up before we all went our separate ways. This thing is so sick, man. Thanks again to Cody for planning this whole thing, inviting all of us out. It was a great time. It was really great meeting everybody, and yeah, hopefully we can do something like this again soon. And thanks again to all 75 of you who've subscribed and are here along for the ride. It shows that my hard work is going somewhere, and yeah, it means a lot. So thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye now.